I often say I made a living creating music that sounds like garbage cans falling downstairs to most people.
How could it all be? We've never been sad, but never right.
My name is Ben Weinman. I am a songwriter, producer, music manager, but most people know me for being the founder of the Dillinger Escape Plan. We never expected to make a living out of this. The second we stopped trying to please people is when it started to work. People trusted it. And when people trusted it, they would jump in the fire with you. Literally, we blew fire at them sometimes. What is it that actually creates success in art and in music? One of the things I don't really like to talk a lot about is how to gain followers and fans through Instagram or social media, through tricks or magic wands. I don't believe they exist. But what I can talk about is doing something so special that it demands attention. Having a fan base that wants everything you do, that still feels there's something special about you, that still feels they know something someone else doesn't, is really a great way to continuously make money. Do what you do it well, and the opportunities will present themselves. This course teaches you how to stick to your guns, follow your values, create uncompromising art, and then sell that uncompromising art in a way that doesn't suck the life out of you. I'm going somewhere with this, I promise you. This course is only available on Soundfly.com.